Now let us talk about some tips that will help you in the examination. Firstly, go through the syllabus and exam pattern thoroughly. Be in touch with the current affairs. This will help you in the general awareness section. Make sure the political and historical scenario of India is on your tips. One should study regularly and revise the concepts on regular basis. Make notes for revision while studying different topics. Positive attitude and confidence is very important when preparing for any exam. Keep yourself motivated. Know your strengths and weaknesses and work on them constantly. Solve previous year papers. They will give you a brief idea about the exam pattern, types of question, etc. For that, you can refer to the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. Check the description for the link of the app. If you find the content of this video relevant, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.